Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in on Coinbase using a passkey. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few things we need to know before we start. So you need to make sure you already set up a passkey for your Coinbase account on your device, and also you're using a passkey supported device or browser such as iPhone, iPad with Face ID, Touch ID. This can be with Safari or Chrome, Android phone with fingerprint face unlock, Chrome, Windows Hello, Edge and Chrome, and Mac OS with Touch ID, Safari or Chrome. Now, so first step is to head on over to coinbase.com, and then from here you want to go ahead and click on the sign in button. Now it's going to take us over to the sign in section. Now you should have a window that looks like this. So it will say sign into Coinbase. So from here we need to go ahead and click on the sign in with passkey option. Now it's going to ask choose a passkey, so iPhone, iPad or Android device, or security key. So if you use an iPhone, iPad or Android device, go ahead and click onto that. And then from here, scan this QR code with your phone or tablet, and then go through the prompts to sign in. Once you've signed in on your tablet or Android, iPad device, it's going to sign you in automatically on your web browser.